Get ready to test your brain. Can you guess the animal? Can you guess the animal?
Hurrah! It's the majestic lion.
Can you guess the animal?
Wow, it's the striped tiger.
Can you guess the animal?
Great choice, it's the giant elephant.
Can you guess the animal?
Awesome, it's the long-necked giraffe.
Can you guess the animal?
Yay! It's the black and white zebra.
Can you guess the animal?
Super! It's the pouch-carrying kangaroo.
Can you guess the animal?
Bamboo time. It's the adorable panda.
Can you guess the animal?
Sweet! It's the furry koala.
Can you guess the animal?
Fantastic! It's the tuxedo-wearing penguin.
Can you guess the animal?
Splash! It's the playful dolphin.
Can you guess the animal?
Whoa! It's the enormous whale.
Can you guess the animal?
Sharp pick. It's the toothy shark.
Can you guess the animal?
Snap! It's the snappy crocodile.
Can you guess the animal?
Slithering fun. It's the slimy snake.
Can you guess the animal?
Slow and steady. It's the hard-shelled turtle.
Can you guess the animal?
Ribbit. It's the jumping frog.
Can you guess the animal?
Hoppity hop. It's the cute rabbit.
Can you guess the animal?
Great. It's the graceful deer.
Can you guess the animal?
Sly pick. It's the clever fox.
Can you guess the animal?
Howling cool. It's the wild wolf.
Can you guess the animal?
Roaring fun. It's the furry bear.
Can you guess the animal?
Awesome pick. It's the mighty gorilla.
Can you guess the animal?
Thundering steps. It's the powerful rhinoceros.
Can you guess the animal?
Water splash. It's the chunky hippopotamus.
Can you guess the animal?
Zoom. It's the lightning-fast cheetah.
Can you guess the animal?
Tall and speedy. It's the running ostrich.
Can you guess the animal?
Talkative fun. It's the chatty parrot.
Can you guess the animal?
Eagle-eyed. It's the sharp-sighted eagle.
Can you guess the animal?
Wise choice. It's the smart owl.
Can you guess the animal?
tree jumper. It's the swinging monkey.
Can you guess the animal?
Wow, it's the speedy cheetah.
Can you guess the animal?
Amazing, it's the swinging orangutan.
Can you guess the animal?
Sweet, it's the busy bee.
Can you guess the animal?
Beautiful, it's the colorful peacock.
Can you guess the animal?
Incredible, it's the clever octopus.
Can you guess the animal?
Hurrah, it's the striped zebra.
Can you guess the animal?
Fantastic, it's the color-changing chameleon.
Can you guess the animal?
Moo velis, it's the friendly cow.
Can you guess the animal?
Great job, it's the humpbacked camel.
Can you guess the animal?
Cool, it's the waddling penguin.
Can you guess the animal?
Clucktastic, it's the egg-laying chicken.
Can you guess the animal?
Woof, it's the loyal dog.
Can you guess the animal?
Perfect, it's the cute cat.
Can you guess the animal?
Starry choice, it's the shiny starfish.
Can you guess the animal?
Fluttering fun, it's the colorful butterfly.
Can you guess the animal? Slowly does it. It's the slimy snail. Can you guess the animal? Desert delight. It's the strong camel. Can you guess the animal? Tiny but mighty. It's the hard-working ant. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.